In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks on Robinhood. Let's get started with the basics. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure your account is funded with cash, also known as buying power. This step is crucial because you need funds available to make any purchase. Without sufficient buying power, your transaction won't go through. Once that's confirmed, tap on the search icon. This is where you'll enter the company name or ticker symbol. If you are unsure of the ticker symbol, don't worry. You can type the full name of the company. The search tool is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for you to find the stock you're interested in. After locating the stock, select it to open its details page. Here you'll see important information like performance trends, recent news, and earnings reports. Take your time to review these details. Understanding this information helps you make informed investment decisions. This is important because it provides a snapshot of the stock's potential and risks. Now, tap on Trade, then select Buy. This is where you'll decide how much you want to invest. You have two options. You can enter a specific dollar amount or the number of shares you wish to purchase. For beginners, starting with a dollar amount can be more straightforward. It allows you to manage your investment budget easily. With your investment amount set, review the order details carefully. This step ensures everything is accurate before you commit. Once you are satisfied, swipe up or tap Buy to submit your order. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know your order is being processed. This confirmation is your assurance that the transaction is underway. Next up, let's talk about order types. Robinhood supports several different types, including market orders, limit orders, stop limit orders, and trailing stop orders. Each order type serves a different purpose. For example, a market order buys the stock at the current market price, whereas a limit order allows you to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay. If you wish to change the order type, go back to the stock page, tap Trade, then Buy, and select the order type you want to use. It's a good practice to know which order type aligns with your strategy. This flexibility can help you manage your investments more effectively. Before you finalize your decision, especially if you're new to investing, consider doing additional research. Understanding the company and the market conditions is vital. Many beginners start with diversified exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, instead of individual stocks. This strategy spreads risk across multiple stocks, which can be less volatile. Remember, investing always comes with risks, and it's crucial to be informed. Take your time to learn and grow in your investment journey. This approach not only builds confidence, but also helps in making wiser decisions. With all that being said, you now have a comprehensive understanding of how to buy stocks on Robinhood. Take these steps, explore the app, and start investing wisely. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.